Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel, and today is going to be another interesting video about retro gaming. Here's my beloved Toshiba 4020 CDT. It's a really nice vintage laptop in really good condition, 300 MHz Pentium 2. I love it, and a lot of times I play those old games which doesn't require any powerhouse to run it on this computer. And some games I play with keyboard, of course. Some games I'd like to play with joystick. And of course, those joysticks used 15-pin Gameport connector. I got a desktop which I can use it, but on a laptop there's no luck. Pretty much this guy doesn't have Gameport anywhere. And which kind of suck, but lately I did obtain it, a really nice device. I'm really proud to own this piece of hardware because it's kind of rare and really hard to get. Boom, right there. PCMCIA adapter to a Gameport 15-pin connector. It's made by EPX. It's really awesome. Problem is, there was not many being made. It's made by these guys, EXP, and there's also by other guys. I forget what other company called. They also did make. Pretty much what I'm saying, there's only few companies who did make that adapter. And it's kind of rare, hard to get. I saw before they go in a $300 to $500 for adapter like that. I was lucky and I bought much more affordable, not super cheap, but it was for a reasonable price in a $200 price range. And actually it works pretty good. I love it. Let's see. Let me boot it. And of course, this old Toshiba, I like it because it has a Yamaha sound chip, pretty much Sound Blaster compatible. I mean, it works the way it should be. Yeah. But now, I mean, look at that. Yeah. It's worked the way it should be. Plus both buttons work, shoot and jump. When I want to talk to a wizard, pretty much I push it joystick up and it will do. It's much easy and more comfortable to play with joystick. I just got this adapter a few days ago. I mean, let me kill that guy. Let me turn the sound a little bit down. Yeah, I have to get used to. I also got on order different joystick. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm getting not the joystick. I'm getting a gamepad, but which will be awesome. But like I said, it's quite interesting device. Really hard to get on eBay. They do pops time to time, but in my opinion, it's well worth it. It's well worth it if you are one of those guys who like play your retro games with joystick or with controller. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.